Cultural globalization in the contemporary world. What is cultural globalization? Definition: the worldwide transmission of ideas, meanings, and values, intensifying social relations across national borders. Driving forces: technology, internet, social media, media migration, and international travel or trade. Globalization is more than money and power, traditional focus, or economic and political. The deeper dimension, socio-cultural. Culture's role in connecting societies. Culture is the bridge and the battleground of globalization. Homogenization or cultural imperialism, hybridization or globalization. Cultural globalization is the accelerated worldwide movement and blending of ideas, values, and lifestyle across national borders. Why this matters? The flow of culture is not just entertainment, it fundamentally shapes identities, influence politics, and drives social change in the contemporary world. Number one, digital connectivity and media. Technology and social media, global entertainment industry. Number two, movement of people and ideas, international travels, migration, and diaspora. Number one, globalized cultural products and what? Media and entertainment. The massive worldwide popularity of films, music, sports, and fashion creates a shared global experience. Language diffusion. The accelerated spread of key language, most notably English, and the lingua franca of business, science, and pop culture. Platforms of exchange. The how. Digital hyperconnectivity, cross-culture exchanges are instant and constant, primarily driven by digital media or social media apps and the internet. Decentralized flows. Culture now flows not just from the west but in multiple directions, e.g. or K-pop, Bollywood, anime, due to these digital channels. Media and pop culture. Number one, global content powerhouses. The big three influence major film and music industries: Hollywood, USA, K-pop, South Korea, and Bollywood, India now shape global trends, fashions, and social norms. Viral trends, culture flows are no longer one-way with the race, they are multi-directional and often driven by developing world content. Number two, platforms for exchange, the how. Digital hyperconnectivity, cross-cultural exchange are instant and constant, primarily driven by digital media, social media, apps, and the internet. Food and lifestyle. Number one, standardization via global change. Ubiquitous brands, local adaptation, or localization. Number two, the rise of international food culture, fashion trends, globalized diet, education and language exchange. Number one, human mobility and learning, international student mobility. Number two, the linguistic landscape, English as the lingua franca. Opportunities in cultural globalization. Number one, cultural enrichment and learning, increased cultural awareness, access to global ideas. Number two, social progress and diversity, strengthened multiculturalism, global solidarity, benefit for developing nations. Number one, economic growth and revenue. Tourism and cultural industries. Globalization opens local markets to international tourists, making cultural industry. 2. Global exposure and development. Global cultural promotion. Local culture, art, unique perspective are deeply promoted on the global stage. Skill and knowledge transfer. Exchange programs and cultural diplomacy facilitate the sharing of best practices, advanced education, and valuable skills in arts, education, and technology. Challenges and rise, cultural homogenization, the threat of sameness, Homogenization is the process where global culture becomes standardized, leading to erosion of local identity. Cultural imperialism, the dominance of media products valued from economically powerful nations often results in the westernization of non-Western societies. Internal conflict, identity crisis. Among youth, young people often experience a cultural identity crisis, often negative, conflicting local tradition and powerful global influence. In external conflict, societal tension, local versus global value, cultural resistance. This tension often strong definitive reaffirmation of traditional identity, which can sometimes form anti-globalization movements or fundamentalism. The phenomenon global cultural spread, music and entertainment. K-pop is the highly successful, deliberate global spread of Korean music and entertainment. The impact, diplomacy and economy. Economic powerhouse, K-pop has transformed into a massive cultural industry and source of national income, driving export, tourism, and brand value of South Korea. Cultural diplomacy, K-pop and Hallyu act as powerful cultural diplomacy tools enhancing South Korea's soft power, proving this international image and influence. Case study fast food culture. The phenomenon global spread and standardization. The chain effect, the mass spread of global food chains, e.g. McDonald's, KFC, has introduced standardization, convenient, often low-cost meal options worldwide. Lifestyle shift, the availability of fast food encouraged a shift toward on-the-go consumption and faster-produced urban lifestyle, changing from traditional habit movement away from slow family meals. Consequences, health and social impact. Health concerns. The biggest risk in the link between increased consumption of higher sugar fast food and negative health and lifestyle consequences. Cultural critique. This spread is often criticized as a form of cultural imperialism, promoting a Western consumerist diet of the experience of local heritage culinary tradition. The next frontline, virtual culture, digital culture and communities. The continuing growth of the internet, faster, increasingly powerful virtual communities and new forms of digital culture, global gaming cultures, AI and cultural production. Artificial intelligence is set to revolutionize cultural products, music, art, films. The endurance of identity, the push for there will be an intensifying push for preserving local traditional language in the face of pervasive global influence. Hybridization continues. The future will not be a monoculture but an increasingly highly complex and rich history of hybrid mixed cultures evolving at high